Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, a 2025 camper van that blends vintage charm with modern practicality. Just look at this beauty. It's got those retro vibes that make you feel like you've stepped straight into a postcard from the past. First off, let's talk about the design. This camper looks like it rolled right out of the 1970s, in the best possible way. The two-tone paint job in turquoise and cream is super eye-catching and gives it that playful, nostalgic feel. And check out those round headlights and the compact, bubble-like shape. It's not just a camper, it's a conversation starter. Now don't be fooled by its size. This little van packs in more than you'd expect. It's built for efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Under the hood, it's rocking a compact electric motor. Yes, fully electric, giving you quiet, eco-friendly travel with a surprisingly decent range. Perfect for scenic road trips without the gas station stops. Inside is where this camper really shines. Step through the side door, and you're greeted by a cozy, thoughtfully designed living space. There's warm wood paneling, soft lighting, and everything has that handcrafted retro feel, but with modern upgrades tucked into every corner. The kitchenette is small, but super functional. Pastel-colored appliances, a two-burner stove, a mini fridge, and even a little fold-out counter for prep space. It's got that cute, Pinterest-worthy vibe, but it's ready to cook real meals. The dinette area is perfect for two, with plaid cushions and a table that folds down into a secondary bed if needed. And above the cab, there's a sleeping loft with a comfy mattress and those big panoramic windows, so you can literally fall asleep under the stars. Storage is smartly hidden all around. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, even a tiny wardrobe. And yes, there's a compact wet bath in the back. It's tight, but it does the job. Shower, toilet, and a little sink. Driving it is a unique experience. Because it's so lightweight and electric, it handles more like a small van than a traditional RV. City streets, winding back roads, no problem. And parking? Way easier than you'd expect. So who is this camper van for? Honestly, anyone who wants to downsize without giving up character. Weekend warriors, solo travelers, even couples looking for a romantic getaway vehicle. This camper is ready to roll. If you love quirky, efficient, and eco-friendly travel with a heavy dose of charm, this 2025 camper might be your dream ride. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this on your next road trip? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique vehicle reviews. Until next time, happy travels.